What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to draw straight lines in Photoshop CC. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. In this example we will use this white background and then select the brush tool in your toolbar. In case you are unable to find it, then look it up under Edit Toolbar. Next, click on one spot to create a point in your image. You can adjust the size with this slider system on top, as well as the hardness. In this example, I will use a 29 pixel white brush. You can also change the color on the right hand side when clicking on this colored square. Your color picker window will open up. Here, simply select a color and then click on OK. You can then proceed to create another point in your image, but make sure to hold down Shift while doing this. Photoshop will automatically connect the 2 points with a straight line. You can also create more points while holding Shift, and all of these points will in turn be connected. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.